2021 this is Tupavuori 3 staircase. F, the next to that staircase is a residential building. We have also Finland staircase here. So they should have from A to G. 7 staircases here. We found the code here, so maybe they work in all of the staircases, hopefully. Built by ValmetSchlieren in 1978, turning 45 years old in 2023. The serial number is VS15190 and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. Capacity is 4 persons, 330 grams, 325 grams actually. 5 doors. Maintained by SOEC and inspected by Team Inspector. And the second try we can do a silent one. Sadly there's an original like with MB6 fixtures, but we're not sure if they're gone or not. They're doing renovation there here.
Yeah.
Kulosaari branded, but we will see it later in the future.
Yeah.
This was built most certainly with the metro in mind, because originally it should have opened in 1977 but was opened in 1982.
Yeah.
And it's still in good shape.
Yeah.
I like the interior. I like this smell and the interior here. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
Touched.